In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Grammarly in Slack. If you've been looking to enhance your communication within Slack using Grammarly, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, we need to open up Slack. So go ahead and launch your Slack application or navigate to slack.com in your web browser. If you're not already logged in, you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. You have three straightforward options here for logging in. You can use your email, Google account, or Apple ID, whichever suits you best or is most convenient for you at the moment. After logging in, you'll need to choose the workspace you want to work within. This could be your work, personal, or any other Slack group you're part of. Simply select the workspace you want to enter from the options provided. Once you've made your selection, the workspace will load in your Slack window. Now, let's get Grammarly up and running. You'll want to open up a new tab in your browser for this next part. Head over to your preferred search engine and type in Grammarly for Chrome. What you're looking for is the Grammarly browser extension. Click on the official result, which should lead you to the Chrome Web Store or the Grammarly website, where you can download and integrate Grammarly with your browser. Once you find the Grammarly extension, follow the prompts to sign up and customize your experience. This part is crucial as it allows Grammarly to understand your writing preferences and objectives, ultimately providing you with a tailored experience that suits your unique needs. Whether you're focusing on a specific tone or style of communication, these settings will help Grammarly align with your goals. After you've installed the Grammarly extension, it's time to head back to Slack. Refresh or open a new Slack page. On this new page, you should see a small G icon near the Send button inside your Slack message box. This indicates that Grammarly is active and ready to assist you with your writing. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully integrated Grammarly with Slack. The G icon signifies that Grammarly is not only installed but actively checking your messages for grammar, spelling, and style improvements. It's an incredible tool to ensure your communication is clear and professional. And there you have it, folks. You've learned how to seamlessly integrate and use Grammarly in Slack. Whether you're drafting a quick message or composing a lengthy post, Grammarly can now provide you with the writing support you need directly within Slack. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you communicate with confidence in your Slack workspace.